In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage AI in GoHighLevel for a more streamlined and efficient customer engagement process. Let's dive into a world where AI seamlessly integrates with your business operations, enhancing both productivity and customer satisfaction. To start, let's explore how you can use conversation AI for instant lead response. This powerful tool acts as your business's virtual assistant, automatically responding to incoming messages across various channels, including SMS, website chat, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, and even Google Business Messages. The AI is capable of handling frequently asked questions, qualifying leads, gathering necessary information, booking appointments, and escalating more complex queries to human representatives when required. You might wonder how to set this up in GoHighLevel. Simply navigate to the settings, then choose AI and select Conversation AI. From there, enable the communication channels you want. Enter your business information, add FAQs, connect your calendar, configure escalation protocols, and don't forget to test the conversations to ensure everything runs smoothly. Remember, the more data you provide, the better the AI will perform. Next, let's talk about using AI for appointment booking, one of the highest ROI applications of AI. Imagine this: a lead sends a message, the AI qualifies them, checks your calendar for availability, books the appointment, and then a workflow sends out reminders to ensure the lead doesn't miss it. This flow is particularly effective for industries like dental practices, real estate, med spas, HVAC services, law firms, and coaching businesses. GoHighLevel's Conversation AI and Voice AI can both support these comprehensive appointment booking workflows. Speaking of Voice AI, think of it as your AI receptionist. It can answer calls, qualify incoming leads, route calls accordingly, book appointments, and transfer calls to the appropriate staff members. For instance, during an incoming call, the AI responds instantly, asks important qualifying questions, books a consultation if necessary, and automatically updates your CRM with the details. This setup is ideal for businesses looking to manage missed calls and provide after-hours support. Moving on, Workflow AI within GoHighLevel can significantly enhance your CRM processes with AI-powered actions like replies, lead scoring, intent detection, smart routing, and more. Imagine a lead submits a form. The AI analyzes their intent, scores them, and if identified as high intent, they're swiftly directed to a sales representative, while low intent leads enter a nurturing campaign. Personalized follow-ups are crucial, and AI helps here too by generating SMS follow-ups, email sequences, reactivation campaigns, and more, straight from within your workflows. Whether crafting a friendly follow-up for a lead interested in pricing or initiating a nurture message, AI crafts these messages on the fly. When it comes to building funnels and websites, AI-assisted builders in GoHighLevel make the process faster and more efficient. By simply describing your business, offer, and audience, the AI generates landing pages, funnel copy, and other essential sections, speeding up project completion significantly. For those integrating external AI models, particularly agencies, GoHighLevel allows seamless connections with platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and others, via tools like Make.com or APIs, creating more advanced AI behavior than the default built-in tools. Lastly, AI can also qualify leads effectively by identifying hot leads, understanding objections, detecting urgency, and gauging buying intent. This enables businesses to tag and notify their sales teams immediately of high-intent customers, ensuring timely and effective follow-up. By implementing these AI strategies within GoHighLevel, you can elevate your business's efficiency, improve customer interactions, and ultimately drive greater success.